Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. Friends, as you know, many people have fixed deposit accounts in banks and post offices, but many of them never bother to maintain a personal record of their accounts. They depend solely on the bank and post office record. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to maintain a personal record of our FD accounts so that if there is a mistake on the part of bank and post office, we can immediately inform them. And secondly, whenever a fixed deposit matures or we need to close any account, which one we should close, which one is maturing now, which one will be more beneficial for withdrawal. All these things you can, from your personal record, you can get it. So this is an Excel sheet where, as you can see, this Excel sheet has got this Excel workbook has got two sheets. One is active account, another is closed account, like this. So first of all, active account. So here you double click it and write the name of the bank or post office and branch address, whatever is needed. You can fill it here, enough space is there. Then you can write the account number. Serial number will be coming up automatically. So account number, suppose your FD account number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and balance is, suppose you have opened an account of 10,000 rupees and you are getting say 7% interest, and maturity value will be 10,750 maybe, because of compound interest and all, but it might be wrong. Just lump sum amount I am putting. And suppose the due date is say 20 oblique 05 oblique 2025, okay, next year. And here I'd like to tell you one thing. In my computer, date format has to be written either in hyphen or oblique. In your computer it may be different, but if I press enter now, it will be dots because of some custom formatting. It takes less space, but while writing I have to write either oblique or hyphen. Otherwise this will not be taken as a date, it will be just a number, and then we will have some problem. So you check your own machine what format it accepts, and then according to that you should write the date. After all, it should be a date, not a number. And then suppose it is 1 year, 10 year you have opened, so you can write it 1 year maybe. And then on maturity, what instruction you are giving, suppose you have given instruction for auto renew, so you can write auto ren 1, another word will be accommodated, auto renew 1 year. And then is it through internet banking or branch? Suppose it is through internet banking, so that is the first one. Thus I'll write 3 of them. Say now it is, suppose another one is there, and suppose now this is say 1 lakh, and this is suppose say 6.8%, and suppose now how much it will be? It will be maybe 7,000. I don't know, but maybe this much you will get, about 7,000 interest you will get. And suppose the due date is today itself. Suppose it is, I write 17 oblique 04 oblique 2024, and now you see if I press enter, it is writing this. So it is giving you a signal that it is maturing today, so you have to act fast. Now on 20th May this will become red and it will be written today here, 20th May of 2025. The date will be taken from the system date and automatically it will change. And suppose it is for say 400 days, so you can write 400 DYS in short form, something like that you can write. And suppose it is it was written repay, so you can write repay here. And suppose it is again INB, and another one I write say this one, say this is small one only, and suppose it is only 5%, and suppose this one is 1050, 50 rupees only, and suppose it is day after tomorrow, so or 20/0 4/2024, and suppose it is here. So now you see the color is different, so it is 2-3 days are 2-3 days are there, so this is warning, not yet red, but on 20th April it will become red. So it is 1 year, and then again suppose it is auto renew, so whatever that is you can write. And suppose it is branch only, so you have to remember that you have to go to the branch. And after writing all this thing, you can select this thing like this, and then till a bank line, then right click it, then sort it, custom sort. Then it is already, my data has headers, due date, oldest to newest. If I click it here, then you see that it has been arranged in a nice order. So today, then the next one is coming up, then next one next year, so this way. And then so this way you can maintain the record, and this color signals will be there. If it matures within 1 month, maybe it will be green. If it matures within say 45 days, after 1 month, but before 45 days, maybe I'm not sure what I have written here. Maybe let's see. Suppose I write say 05/05/2024. What happens? So that you see next month 5th May 2024, the color is again different. So different dates will have a different color. It will give you enough signal. You can test it. The file will be available for download. I give the link in the description of this video. So next comes how to use this one, closed accounts. It is simple. Suppose this account has been closed by you today. So what you do, you simply first of all you copy this account number from here. Okay, just copy it and go there and paste value. Maybe I'll just paste value, and then press escape, and then maturity value was 107,000, so 10107,000, and actual payment and suppose it is closed on today itself, so 17/04/2024, and it was INB. Okay, and moment you write actual payment, it will be this faded things will automatically become bright. So actual payment is suppose 10650. Okay, and you see, yeah, the remaining amount is income tax, maybe not correct. What is it? 10. how much was it? 1 lakh. Okay. So 106500, yeah, 6500. So it has gone to income tax. So this way the closed account record you can write here, and then you select this thing right up to this, press del to delete it, and then again you can choose this and up to this, right click, sort, custom sort, then OK, then everything is now nice. So this way you can maintain. And remember, always start from the top. This scroller should be on the top, otherwise you cannot start something from middle, otherwise there will be a problem. So it should start from the top, and then as you grow, as your number of accounts become more and more, it will go down, and you can go, enough thing is there. And here also you can scroll it like this, it will go up and down. And so this way you can maintain your accounts. Okay, so this file is available for download. A link is given in the description of this video. So download it and enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.